The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has revealed his plan for the nation, including how he intends to bring every group to the table, even IPOB. Obi made the disclosure while speaking at Chatham House in London on Monday. The Director of Media and Communication of the Tinubu Campaign Council and Minister of State for Labour, Barrister Festus Keyamo, wrote a petition to the EFCC, ICPC and the Nigerian Police over the allegation of corruption leveled against Alhaji Atiku Abubakar by his former media aide, Alhaji. The Director of Media and Communication for the Atiku Campaign Council, Senator Dino Melaye, in a recent political show on the television, argued that the recent Atiku Gate scandal was orchestrated by Tinubu and his boys, while also maintaining that their antics will not work.